Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn alphabet N. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our interesting videos. Now, let's get started with today's video. N for nail. N for napkin. N for necklace. N for nectar. N for needle. N for nerve. N for nest. N for Nestle. N for net. N for network. N for news. N for newspaper. N for nitrogen. N for noise. N for nomad. N for nose. N for notch. N for notebook. N for novel. N for nucleus. N for nugget. N for number. N for nurse. N for nut. N for nylon. N for nib. N for neck. N for noodles. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our interesting videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.